Just 26 years old when he first entered electoral politics. Nitin Nabeen's rise within the BJP has been swift and striking. Nearly 2 decades later, at just 45, he is taking charge of the world's largest party as its president. The youngest to hold the post, joining in the league of such stalwarts as Atal Bihari Vajpayee, L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, Venkaiah Naidu, Rajnath Singh, Nitin Gadkari, and Amit Shah. With a young president, the BJP hopes to further consolidate its hold on the youth vote.
नितिन नवीन जी को अब पार्टी ने राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष चुनने का निर्णय लिया। ये भाजपा के लिए तो गर्व का विषय है ही, भारत के लिए भी है। जैन जी के लिए नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने एक बड़ा संदेश दिया है और भाजपा ने संदेश दिया है कि आइए राजनीति में।
Five-time MLA from Bihar is taking over from JP Nadda, who has completed his full term after being appointed in January 2020 and receiving multiple extensions through the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The nomination process saw BJP projecting a united face with all the senior leaders, CMs and state leaders endorsing Nabeen's candidature. The new BJP chief will take reins of the party as it prepares for key elections over the next few months in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam and Puducherry. Next year, elections will be held in Uttar Pradesh, Manipur, Punjab, Goa, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Gujarat. Nabeen has been engaged in the party's preparations for upcoming elections and also visited Tamil Nadu to review preparations where the party faces Chief Minister M.K. Stalin-led DMK. He participated in Pongal celebrations. He also visited Assam, where BJP's Himanta Biswa Sarma is facing a tough competition from Congress. Nabeen's elevation to the top party post signals a generational shift in BJP, which has been in the works for some time now, with the appointments of young CMs in states like Haryana, Delhi, Maharashtra, etc. Nabeen is the son of late BJP veteran and former MLA Nabeen Kishore Prasad Sinha. Within the party, he is regarded as a leader who is ideologically rooted and closely associated with the organization. He also has a background in the RSS. NDTV Bureau Report.